Welcome to Zoza's story world. In the heart of a quiet village surrounded by golden fields and winding dusty paths lived a boy named Arian. The world around him was peaceful, calm, and slow. But inside Arian's mind, everything felt tangled, heavy, and endlessly tired. Every morning, the first sunlight touched the roofs of the village, but Arian still woke up drained. He slept more than anyone else, yet felt weaker than everyone. His friends learned new skills. His cousins found new dreams. But Arian, he felt stuck, trapped in the same tired version of himself day after day. Villagers often said, Arian is a kind boy, but his eyes always look lost. And Arian silently agreed. One evening, when the sky turned orange and the birds returned home, Arian sat beneath an ancient neem tree near the edge of the village. His head hung low, and his fingers traced circles in the dirt. I sleep so much, he whispered. Then why does my soul feel so tired? Why can't I wake up fresh like others? Just then, he heard slow, steady footsteps. An old wanderer with silver hair and deep, peaceful eyes approached him. People called him Master Rayon, a traveler who carried wisdom from places no one had ever seen. He stopped beside Arian and said softly, Your face is young, but your mind is carrying the weight of someone who has lived 100 years. Arian looked up, surprised. How do you know what I feel? Master Rayon sat down beside him. When a mind is exhausted, he said, its silence becomes louder than its words. Those words struck Arian like lightning. For the first time, someone understood what he couldn't explain. He took a deep breath. Master, I sleep so many hours, yet I wake up tired. I want to change. I want energy, strength, life, but something inside keeps dragging me down. Please, guide me. The old man smiled gently. You believe sleep gives energy, he said, but the truth is different. It is not your body that is tired, Arian. It is your mind. He leaned forward and drew a small circle in the dust. This circle is your mind. Every day you fill it with fear, comparisons, pressure, doubts, thoughts you never release. He looked into Arian's eyes. A mind that is full cannot rest, and a mind that cannot rest will never feel fresh. Arian felt a spark inside him. A small hope he had been searching for. What should I do? He asked quietly. How can I give rest to my mind? Master Rayon pointed at the sky. Every night, before you sleep, practice one simple habit. Just 5 minutes. Arian listened carefully. Sit alone. No phone. No noise. No distractions. Take a small page and write 3 things. What 3 things? Arian asked. The old man replied, What you felt today. What you learned today. What you will improve tomorrow. Arian frowned. Will this really change me? Master Rayon gave a soft smile. This habit is not magic. It is awareness. When you empty your thoughts onto paper, your mind becomes lighter. When your mind becomes lighter, your sleep becomes deeper. When your sleep becomes deeper, you wake up full of life. Arian felt his eyes warm. No one had ever explained life this simply, and this truly. You are young, Master Rayon continued. You have dreams inside you, but dreams need a fresh mind, not long sleep. That night, Arian returned home. He tore out an old notebook page and wrote, I felt lost today. I learned that my mind needs rest. Tomorrow, I will begin again. The moment he closed the notebook, something inside him softened. His heartbeat slowed. His chest felt lighter, and for the first time in many months, he slept like a child. The next morning, Arian woke up before the village rooster. He opened his eyes and felt a shock. Freshness, clarity, energy. A feeling he had forgotten. He smiled without forcing it. Every night that followed, Arian continued the habit, and every morning, he became a stronger version of himself. His steps became quicker, his voice clearer, his confidence brighter. People asked, "What happened to Aryan?" He looks alive now. Simply said, "I learned how to free my mind." Weeks later, Aryan returned to the name tree to thank Master Rayon, but the old traveler was gone. Some villagers said he moved to another village. Some said he only appeared to those who truly needed him. But Aryan knew one thing for certain. The habit he learned changed his life forever. He slept less, woke earlier, felt stronger, and finally believed that he could shape his own future. Remember, when you free your mind at night, your mornings become the beginning of a new life. If this story touched your heart, then the next story is meant for the person you want to become.